Why does my Westinghouse oven turn itself off?
Hi, welcome to Just Answer. My name is XXXXXX I look forward to helping you. From your symptoms, I suspect the control/timer is at fault and may need to be replaced. Are you certain you are not setting the timed bake setting? May I please have your model number so I am able to provide you with accurate, model-specific information?
I am not setting the timer when using the oven, just setting the temperature and turning it on.
That is why I suspect the timer/control is at fault. I think it is going to need to be replaced.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.